Issue child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Arath, Comanche, Mills, Lampasas, Burnett, Williamson, Bell, Coriel, Hamilton, Busk, Somerville, Hood, Parker, Tarrant, Johnson, Hill, McLennan, Millam, Fort, Limestone, Navarro, Ellis, Dallas, Kaufman, Henderson, Freestone, Leon, Robertson, Madison, Brazos, Anderson, Texas, at 5:19 p.m. on APR 8, 2025, effective until 5:19 p.m. APR 9, 2025. Local Amber Alert. Missing/abducted child from Temple, Texas. Missing child is Natalia Herrera, 14-year-old black female, last seen wearing green hoodie, blue jeans, and black shoes. Anastasia Herrera, 15-year-old black female, last seen wearing a black puffy jacket, black shirt, and black shoes. Call Temple Police with information. If seen, call 911.